As CEO of Planned Companies, a 120-year, four-generation real estate service organization, these are the moments where culture and values are at the forefront. Not words on a piece of paper or that you can see on a wall, but truly lived and breathed by those courageous and selfless individuals working in your buildings, delivering on our service promise. Our values that have built and sustained Planned Companies throughout the generations, and that will allow us to overcome during this very difficult time, are integrity. Either have it or you don't. Teamwork. Each and every person counts and their contributions matter for the collective whole. Exceptional customer service, more essential than ever. Wowing and delighting our own clients, our workforce, and our external clients, you. And never being complacent. What got us here will not keep us here. It's never been more important than it is today, having an open mind to this new normal and the changes that must occur.